Hello, this is Maham. You may know me as Mamya. I'm here with Mashion today and I'm gonna give you a few secrets that I have for my skincare. So I'm gonna go quickly, do my cleansing and be back. Okay, so I'm back, cleansed, taken my makeup off, ready for my night care routine. I'm gonna go in with my best friend. So this guy is my best friend because मुझे लगता है कि जब मेरी स्किन किसी भी चीज़ को जवाब नहीं दे सकती तो वो इसको जवाब देती है. Gentle aloe vera. We're gonna go in with a small pump and just lather my face. I don't really do extensive night care, but this is as extensive as it gets. I'm gonna show you my secrets and I hope this is gonna work for everyone because it works for me. Next step, we're gonna go in with this serum. This is Her Beauty ka Super Kind serum. I like how it says super kind because it's again, you know, a connotation for gentle. So I like gentle stuff. And here we go. मुझे ये pumping situation भी काफी fit लगती है. And we lather this on our face. I like to press it in my skin because apparently this is supposed to work. I mean, it works. Do not forget the neck. Some people make this mistake, but don't forget your neck. Okay, so now that the Super Kind serum is just submerged in my skin, we're gonna go and moisturize. This is Fresh Rose Deep Hydration. I'm a dry skin kind of girl, so I need all kinds of moisturization. Something I've heard that is great for your skin is massaging your face. So what I try to do is, even if I'm not doing like this extensive skincare, I just try to like really just massage my face so the circulation is happening and the blood flow is great, and I don't know, hopefully keeps my face from sagging. And good. And again, I was about to forget my neck, but ladies, be smarter than me and do not forget your neck. Right. Last but not the least, we are with this Dew Drops. This is also by Her Beauty. I like that, you know, you just get to shake it and the juice, मुख्तलिफ सा juice बन जाता है, which is great for your skin. I mean, it's called Priming Rose Essential Oil. So this can go under your makeup too, which is great. But if it goes under your makeup and if you're wearing it during the day, then do not forget to wear sunscreen. And this is gonna give you such beautiful glow. This is gonna be your highlighter. So now that the dew drops are in, I want to give you a tip. So what I do for massaging my face and sculpting it is take your finger, so this bit, just go along your face. Going along your face is going to give it a lift. And this is what I do for my jawline, for a sculpted jawline, even though I don't have one, but I'm praying for one. So that should help. So please, I don't know, I think everyone should be taking care of their skin because you can wear makeup, but if you have a beautiful canvas, the makeup is gonna look like a filter. So this was my night care routine. I hope you had fun. Definitely not as much fun as I had because you know, it's time for me to hit bed and it's been a long day. And good night. Ciao, ciao.